Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to interact with our 3D viewer web app that I just published. And you can go to cograph.com. This app named Cograph. I took the inspiration of the simplicity of 3JS editor and the interaction. I took the inspiration from Blender. So to look around the scene, we can click on middle mouse and drag it to rotate. Example, we add a cube, a box, and we rotate around by use middle mouse. Look down and up. And we have this view helper that can click on Z to move to that direction. Click on X, Y, and to change the camera position, we can press Shift, hold it, and hold our middle mouse and drag it. So we can drag the location of the camera. And to focus back to this object, click on it and press F to focus. So our box will stay at the center. And we can change this dimension. Also this outliner. Now we can delete this cube and we import a 3D model FBX helicopter, and we get this helicopter in our scene. We can see that this helicopter.fbx is the group type, and this helicopter is the mesh. So we want to drag it out from this parent helicopter. Delete this group. Next, we will add some object to the scene. This shape. We add 3 of it. And if we change this to other view, we can change to normal to see the normal wireframe, to see this wireframe, and solid for this gray solid material on the object, and change to material to see the real material of this object. But we don't have the lighting, so we need to add light, directional, and add another one, hemisphere. We can change this hemisphere to up a little bit and change this hemisphere color. The top color is yellow and ground color is purple. And press enter. Next, we change this intensity of this directional light to 1. And this color, this hemisphere, change intensity to 5. And we can change the color of our object. This icosahedron. Go to material and change this material color to blue. This one to light blue. And this one to green. We still want to change this color a little bit. A little bit pink color. And to add this object into one group, we can add group and then drag this inside this group. And it already have the same group. If we click on this group and drag it down, these three objects will move together. And we can use Ctrl Z for undo our action. And we can see our action in this setting history. We can return to the previous action. So we change this object color. And if we want to redo, we press Shift Ctrl Z to redo. Or click on this history. And this is the shortcut for our control. Let's click on this object. If we press E, it is rotate, or for scale, and W for translate. And this is our project setting. We can change the tone mapping to other tone mapping. Example, this one, it is darker, and natural is bright color, and no tone mapping, the original tone map. And when we change this, it will save into the config. So when we load the project again, it still get this setting. And we can use view helper to see from above. Press Z for view from top, Y view from right, X from front. So now we want to render this. Shift middle mouse to drag it down a little bit, the camera. And to render this, we go to project and this render. Change the resolution to 2048 and 1080. And then we can click render. And we render this object, and we can save image as to save in our PC. So we download it. So we can see our picture that we already download from render. And this view, we can hide the grid helper, this grid helper, and we can hide the camera helper and light helper. We can see this light disappear. And enable it back. And this help, we have the source code that available on GitHub. We have report a bug for Discord community, so you can report it, and I will fix the bug that appear in our project. So if you like this project, please consider like this video and share it. I will continue to develop this project to be the 3D modeling web app that you can use without download this application. Thank you very much for my patrons member who are supporting me. Your support really means a lot to me.